They were looking for oil and gas in the Arctic, in the Chukchi Sea off the coast of Alaska, and effectively that exploration well there was a dud. They found some oil and gas, but not enough to justify continued exploration in the region. Two, they're saying another aspect of this was high costs of the project, and finally that their decision to abandon looking for oil and gas in the region reflects what they called an unpredictable and challenging regulatory environment.
Today's story really shows the challenges that face the biggest oil and gas companies today. You know, what they're good at are huge projects, going out, drilling very expensive wells, developing huge oil platforms. And at the moment, it just doesn't make any sense. And people say that what shale does is cap oil prices long-term, maybe at $70 a barrel. You wonder where the new projects of the type like Shell are going to come from.
I think there are still some concerns about oil prices, but I am of the view that we are not going to see $20, $30, which people have been talking about. So I think that story is completely overdone. If there is anything, I think that we are going to find some support, given the moves that we are talking about, Saudis feeling the pressure as well, then clearly. And that support will be welcome, because remember, the big thing driving this market is falling inflation. I mean, that is the biggest worry, which is stopping central banks from raising rate and normalizing policy. So if we see any improvement on oil prices, that will be a welcome news by central banks and markets as well.